Dear friends, Namaste, very good morning. I am on the OR of Hyderabad, outer ring road of Hyderabad, the dream project of great Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee. From this road, I got the inspiration from the great man to tell you how great people are made. Great people are made by great support that we call Mastermind Alliance Partner, who really understand your strength, your belief, your courage, your conviction, and then they, with their wisdom, nourish it. I am very fortunate. The early childhood of my life, I met a man called Sri Ram Sudhist Chaudhary, who is no more. He really gave me the glimpses of the philosophy of Buddha and Vivekananda. All the divinity is within you. Believe in yourself. But that great, mighty power of your self-belief and self-confidence, courage, conviction, determination is sleeping. Wake it. Self-discipline is your strength. Purity of thought is your mastery. And calmness is your real power. That was the first lesson I learned from the replica of Vivekananda, Swami Vivekananda, the most revered Guru, Sri Ram Sudhist Chaudhary. First Guru in my life. Second Guru, they were little sparkles, some kind of minor, but the major Guru I found was one of the greatest quantum physicists, most revered Professor Vishwanath Rao, the head of the department of LS College, Bihar, Langar Singh, Bihar University, and also the Vice Chancellor of Bihar University. This man really understood me so well that one of the examiners, Professor Ghanshyam Prasad Singh, came from Bodh Gaya University. He told him, this doctor is far, far better than anybody else he has met in his life. Remember, Professor Vishwanath Rao from Bhagalpur, Bihar, he understood. I was just like his shadow. In Bihar, we are traveling on auto rickshaw. So he will tell me, Virender ji, bring one auto rickshaw, and then both the great godfather, Guru Vishwanath Rao, Professor Vishwanath Rao, Dr. Vishwanath Rao, the great quantum mechanics and physicist, and myself will travel together in the Mazholia road of Muzaffarpur, because I am a physicist who got his Master of Science in Physics under the care of Professor Vishwanath Rao, and also doctorate in Physics in Quantum Mechanics, Theoretical Physics under Professor B.N. Rao. Second great Guru and guide. My highest regard and respect for such great. After that, because of my destiny and fate, I joined IIT Kharagpur for PhD. There I found vacuum. Not much of the people can tap my intelligence. Mostly they ridiculed me, they criticized me, they forced me to be a cheat, to copy some of the PhD from some of the people from library, because he had a host of such kind of students. There was a lot of students he was hiring because he was basically a politically motivated man. He was Professor R.N.P. Singh. He forced the student to do some unfair means and copy some of the literatures of some great people and write theories. A.K. Pradhan was one of them. Every week he will publish paper. I am being like Einstein and Newton. I know the truth. I will only tell truth. I will dedicate my whole life, but I don't believe in cheating, lying, and becoming a corrupt man. My creed and philosophy being truth, justice, peace, love, and non-violence, because the backbone of Mother India is lying on the backbone of such great people. Great people! Honest, sincere, because we can do it. We can do it. I follow the footprints of C.V. Raman, D.N. Bose, S.N. Bose, so many great Indians. did great inventions and discoveries. I cannot cheat. If you cannot provide me the background, don't teach me to be cheat. This man, R.N.P. Chaudhary, make my life miserable. With the mercy of Professor S.D. Banerjee of IIT Kharagpur and Professor K.V. Rao, head of department of IIT Kharagpur, I was blessed with the PhD degree in physics and meteorology. But unfortunately, not such a great guide and guru. But there was, I should not forget, Professor H.N. Acharya. When my scholarship ended, he gave me the post of Senior Research Fellow, a project by Mekon. And he assured me a job in that Mekon Ranchi. And he said the directors of Mekon, he is the man, he has the brain, he works hard, he never does anything unfair, because if your foundation is on falsehood, you cannot invent, discover, you cannot have the best car, you cannot have the beautiful road, you cannot have the universe under your control, you cannot conquer time and space. Brain. Science never lies. Long live Professor H.N. Acharya. Long live Professor H.N. Acharya. I am obliged to you. And all the great gurus, dear friends, then came a turning point in my life. I got a job in Cosmoferrite, Javli, Solan, Himachal Pradesh of India. And there I met a great man, Dr. S.N. Moni. He made me overnight the most powerful man of that company. Everywhere put my name. Dr. Virendra will be in charge. Dr. Virendra will be in charge. He tested me. I passed through the acid test. The testing time was over. And I was made the supreme man of Cosmoferrites Limited. But others, people were not a great nationalist. Great Professor Mahajan also loved me and cared for me. But definitely that vision was not with him, because there was a war going on between North and South. Moni was from, Honorable Mr. Moni was from Madras city, Chennai modern time, and Mr. Mahajan was from Chandigarh, the capital of Punjab and Haryana. They were fighting. So sorry, but Moni was not fighting. I belong to North, from foothills of Himalayas. He preferred me. He was a great man. But somehow, the ears were poisoned of Ashok Jaipuria, the chairman and managing director of Cosmoferrite, the kids of Moni. I also left Moni. I also left that company. And I joined NMDC. That was really the hell on earth. NMDC never have any leader. They're all greedy, selfish mining engineers. They only dig the earth through their workers, mechanized mining center. They never trust people. Who is the helm of the power? The general managers, the directors. They only beat the drums of their own greatness. They suppress the people. And unfortunately, the innocent NMDC employs 6,000 then. When I retired in 2014, now there will be much more, because it has been added with the great visionary leader Rana Som converted NMDC not only to remain as a mining center, but also to become a great organization called 3 million tons steel production Nagarnar, Chhattisgarh. That great man, that great man Rana Som judged me, and he made me the project in charge of BHA project. Others criticized me. My wife, Dr. Vandana Jha, also was employee of NMDC. Suresh Chandra, the executive director and general manager of R&D, get the dream that I am a sarkar, I am a thief, I am dependent on my wife, and because of my wife, I am returning that job. This fool, idiot, the corrupt Suresh Chandra tried to harass me a lot. He conveyed the message to the director Swan Agrawal. Once I attended the marriage party of Agrawal's son. He told his son, look at the Sarkar, look at the Kamshor, look at the idiot. He is useless. He is retaining his job and he is supported by his wife. And he has invited my wife. And as being her husband, Dr. Vandana Jha, I drove her car and I took to the marriage party. These kind of leaders are in an MDC. Fools, no brain. You know, one of the great riches of the mankind is wisdom to understand others. And that wisdom I have narrated you. Ram Sudesh Chaudhary, Professor B.N. Roy, Professor H.N. Acharya, Professor Moni, and now comes. When I joined NMDC, the towering greatest man I met, Manav Ratna Padma Bhushan Dr. G. Venkishna Reddy. Arey, Padma Bhushan is nothing for GVK. He is much more than Bharat Ratna. That's why I call him Manav Ratna, Manav Ratna, the great man of India. Nobody recognizes him because India also lacks leadership. Leaders are very rare, man. That man, look at, made me the directors. He made me the most powerful man. I am serving the motherland in his different companies as a true servant. Thank you, friend. The video become large, but remember it. Your future is when you are supported by some great people who really have wisdom and intelligence to judge you. The commoners, the fools, the ignorant, indolent, thoughtless cannot judge you. And I forgot one great man. Professor G.V. Ramana Rao, backbone of GVK MRI. One of the greatest emergency service expert in the whole world. Long live Manav Ratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. Professor G.V. Ramana Reddy, Dr. Ramana Reddy, Director Ramana Reddy, Professor H.N. Acharya, Professor S.S. Moni, Professor B.N. Rao, Professor Ram Sudesh Chaudhary. What I am today, the roaring lion from India, is because of these great people. They are my really spirit. And ultimately, they all taught me the greatness of Buddha and Jesus Christ and Vivekananda. Long live, I love you, I respect you. Be brave. Positive mental attitude will be your strength. Sound physical health will be your great asset. Maintain a very harmonious relations with everyone. Keep your mind free from worries and anxieties. Be willing to share everything with everyone. Believe in your greatness of serving the mankind. Must have capacity, applied faith. Be open-minded. Be engaged in the labor of love. Be self-disciplined. Self-disciplined. You will have everything. Lord, see the earth and everything that's in it. And which is more, you will be a roaring man like me. Thank you.